Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP data types. So while programming in ABAP, we need to use a variety of variables to store various information. And variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory, and you may like to store information of various data types like character, integer, floating point, etc. So based on the data type of a variable, the operating system allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. Elementary data types. So ABAP offers the programmer a rich assortment of fixed length as well as variable length data types. So the ABAP elementary data types: type and keyword, byte field keyword X, text field keyword C, integer keyword I, floating point keyword F, packed number keyword P, text string keyword string. So some of the fields and numbers can be modified using one or more names like byte, numeric and character like. So the table shows the data type and how much memory it takes to store the value in memory, and the minimum and maximum values that can be stored in such type of variables. Type X, typical length 1 byte and typical range any byte values 00 to FF. Type C, typical length 1 character and range 1 to 65535. N, numeric text field 1 character, typical range 1 to 65535. D, character like date 8 characters range. T, character like time 6 characters, typical range also 6 characters. I, 4 bytes, F, 8 bytes, P, 8 bytes. String variable any alphanumeric characters. X string, byte string variable any byte values 00 to FF. So an example: report data text line type C length 40, text line equal to a chapter on data types. Write text line data text string type string, text string equal to a program in ABAP, then write / text string. Date d underscore date type d underscore date equal to sy hyphen datum, write d underscore date. So in this example, we have a character string of type C with predefined length 40, and string is a data type that can be used for any character string of variable length text strings. Type string data object should generally be used for character like content where fixed length is not important, and the code produces the output a chapter on data types, a program in ABAP 1209-2015. And the data type is used for the storage of date information and can store 8 digits. Complex and reference types. The complex types are classified into structure types and table types. And in the structure types, elementary types and structures, that is structure embedded in a structure, are grouped together, and you may consider only the grouping of elementary types. but you must be aware of the availability of nesting of structures. When the elementary types are grouped together, the data item can be accessed as a grouped data item, or the individual elementary type data items, structure fields, can be accessed. The table types are better known as arrays in other programming languages. Arrays can be symbol or structure arrays. And in ABAP, arrays are called internal tables, and they can be declared and operated upon in many ways when compared to other programming languages. So the table shows the parameters according to which internal tables are characterized. Parameter and description. Line or row type. Row of an internal table can be of elementary, complex, or reference type. Key specifies a field or group of fields as a key of an internal table that identifies the table rows, and a key contains the fields of elementary types. Access method describes how ABAP programs access individual table entries. Reference types are used to refer to instances of classes, interfaces, and runtime data items. And the ABAP runtime type services enables declaration of data items at runtime. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP data types. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. And we will be discussing more on SAP ABAP and in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.